Sa totoo lang, matagal nang nagtutulungan ang dalawang higanteng partido na ito. Kumbaga, malalim na ang pinagsamahan, isinasa formal lang natin ngayon ang ating relasyon. Thank you very much to Secretary Anton Lagdameo. Please take your seats. The NPC chairman and former Senate President, Senator Tito Soto, or as he is known to us who have worked with him for a long time, Tito Sen. The NPC President and Rizal 1st District Representative, Congressman Jack Duavit, the NPC Secretary General and Presidential Advisor on Legislative Affairs and head now of the Presidential Legislative Liaison Office, Secretary Mark Leandro Dong Mendoza, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, PFP President and South Cotabato Governor, Governor Jun Tamayo, PFP member and Ilocos Norte 1st District Representative. Kilala ko yata ito Sandro Marcos, the honorable members of the cabinet who have joined us here today, and the honorable members of the Senate and the House of Representatives, other distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you all. We witness another breakthrough today in the history of politics and public service in our nation with this alliance of the PFP and the NPC. With the joining of forces, we are no longer individual players in the field of politics, but a strong united front that is determined to actively shape the future of our people. We are not just two parties that are allied with one another. We are a force that is ready to serve, that is ready to bring a better life to our people, to defy expectations, to carve out a bright future with promise and potential. Sa totoo lang, matagal nang nagtutulungan ang dalawang higanteng partido na ito. Kumbaga, malalim na ang pinagsamahan, isinasa formal lang natin ngayon ang ating relasyon. What makes this alliance durable is that it is a partnership of equals and one anchored on a set of principles. It is not a marriage of convenience, as we often find in politics, but it is born out of a need to unite for the greater good. We are not joining forces for some narrow electoral objective alone. Of course, the approaching political cycle is an important element and has added impetus to what we are doing. But more than that, it is to continue to collaborate, to work on the urgent needs of our people. Our agenda is the nation's progress, nothing more, nothing less. As the chairman of the PFP, I believe that our shared commitment to empowering and amplifying the voice of every Filipino is what truly unites us in our mission to revitalize, rejuvenate, and transform our country. Maraming magsasabi na ito ay ginagawa lamang natin para paghandaan ang halalan. Hindi naman natin masasabi na wala sa isip natin ang halalan na parating sa susunod na taon. Ngunit, ito ay isang bahagi lamang kung bakit ay tayo'y nagpipirmahan na ngayon at ginawa natin itong PFP-NPC Alliance. Dahil ito naman talaga ang katotohanan nung binuo natin yung unity team nung nakaraang eleksyon, nakaraang kampanya, kasama na natin ang NPC. Wala tayong papel na napirmahan noon. Pero kagaya ng aking nabanggit, matagal na talagang nagtutulungan dahil ang mga miyembro ng NPC, miyembro ng mga PFP, matagal na tayo magkakaibigan at matagal na tayo nagtutulungan. At not only at an individual level, dahil magkaibigan nga tayo, ngunit even at the party level, we have always been assisting one another. We have always been trying to work together. So, kahit sabihin nila na pang-politika lang ito, alam naman natin ang katotohanan. Ito ay hindi pampolitika lamang. Ito ay itong pagsasama ng dalawang napakalaki at napakahalagang mga partido, political parties. Itong pagsasama na ito ay para patibayin ang ating pangako sa ating mga kababayan na gagawin natin ang lahat at tayo ay magkakapit-bisig na tumutulong para pagandahin ang buhay ng bawat Pilipino, para pagandahin ang ating minamahal na Pilipinas. Yan ang tunay na dahilan kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon. Kung bakit tayo, dahil nakita naman natin, dahil nabuo yung unit team. The unit team was a very informal aggregation. Wala naman, we agreed with one another. We did not have signings such as this, but it was done. Alam nyo naman, pagka kampanya na, may malapit ng eleksyon, basta't may handshake, dahil as I said, magkakilala naman tayo, matagal na tayo magkakilala, malaki naman ang tiwala natin sa isa't isa. Kaya nagkamayan lang at tayo nagkaintindihan. At nakita naman natin, hindi lamang na naging matagumpay ang ating naranasan nung nakaraang halalan, ngunit nagiging matagumpay ang ating serbisyo sa bayan. Because through this collaboration, our shared dream of a better Philippines moves closer to reality, where the echoes of our combined voices spread across our archipelago, serving as a clarion call for all to partake in building the bagong Pilipinas that we all dream for our people. A nation where each Filipino, irrespective of their background or beliefs, becomes a beacon of hope and of progress, with all of us serving as their leaders. As we navigate the complexities in governance and leadership, let our commitment to trust and integrity shine through and bright, piercing through the darkness of apathy and disillusionment. So although we aspire for electoral triumph, let us keep in mind that our ultimate aspiration goes far beyond political victory. It is a deep yearning for something transformative, something that is almost magical, a vision of a Philippines that is not just economically vibrant, but also a haven of stability, inclusivity, and endless and eternal hope. So let our actions resound louder than our rhetoric. Let our collective efforts uplift the lives of every single Filipino. Let our alliance usher in a new era of good governance. So with unyielding passion and boundless optimism, we will inscribe a new chapter in our nation's narrative, one that is illuminated by the brilliance of unity, mutual respect, progress. Mabuhay ang Partidong Federal ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang National People's Coalition, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.